fair to the INDI partners, they really don't seem to care much at all, because they have been completely silent, stony silence about what has happened. They couldn't care less. But Ravi Srivastava, Arvind Kejriwal is the chief minister. He lives in a highly fortified house. There are CCTVs at every entry and exit point in that house. If indeed they think, and they have said so themselves, that Swati Maliwal was misbehaved with, they should immediately take all the CCTV footage and go to the police station. What is this solidarity without action? It's a criminal case, right?
Thank you very much for coming to me after some 23 minutes of the debate. I would like to ask one question. My friends from the ruling party, they have been cursing Swati Maliwal all through. I am hearing for last at least 5 years. She went to Manipur. They were cursing her throughout. Today they have developed so much of love and affection for her, as if she has already joined their party. This appears to be very, intriguing and ambiguous. Second thing, the PCR calls has got two versions there. Which one is correct? The advocate friend has said they have unauthorizedly leaked those calls to the public. Fine. Sanjay Singh has come forward. He has said it. Another spin is being given to it. She was assaulted. I don't know why they have not gone still ahead of it. They were assaulted. Where is the word assault came in? It was misbehavior and indecency, abhadrata. Indecency and misbehavior. And the concerned chief minister or the party head will take an appropriate action, because there is no FIR, because there is no complaint from the Swati Maliwal. So naturally, the chief minister, the head of the party, is going to take the action.
Why are you waiting for her FIR? Why are you waiting for her FIR? You go file an FIR. You, Mr. Srivastava, go file an FIR. You care for her, right? I mean, you care for any woman being assaulted. You go file an FIR.
Why did you not take it? Why
file
did
a zero FIR.
not speak on Manipur?
Yes, you can complain on her behalf.
Why on Prajwal Ravanna, Amit Shah spoke after 96 hours? What is this? That why he has not spoken yet? He'll speak.
Because if your ridiculous argument was to be taken into account, at the time Prajwal Ravanna left the country, there was no FIR against him. There was no FIR until 2 days after he left the country.
No FIR, because he was,
so there literally, legally was no way to stop him. But does that mean that he should not be acted against now? Of course he should be acted against now.
He was sent by the BJP, like Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi and
He was sent by the BJP?
He was sent by the BJP. Because they control the civil aviation.
Okay.
They control the
Again,
airport.
you are upset why I came to you so late, but you are only now doing what about it? Varun Singh wants to quickly respond, but I'll bring in Sanju Verma after that. Varun Singh, then Sanju Verma.
पद्मजा, पद्मजा, शर्म आनी चाहिए हम लोगों को कि एक औरत कहती है कि मुझे मारा जा रहा है, मेरे ऊपर गाली गलौज हो रहा है, और बाद में पहले तो 24 घंटे तक उसी के पार्टी के लोगों ने उसके ऊपर क्या क्या आरोप किए. और नाउ आई हैव अ वेरी सीनियर पर्सन, एटलीस्ट इन एज, आई डोंट नो अबाउट व्हाट सीनियरिटी अदरवाइज ही हैज, ही क्वेश्चनिंग अ वुमेन हु हैज बीन, और उसी के पार्टी के लोगों ने आके कह दिया कि हाँ भाई अभद्रता हुई, एंड ही इज नॉट रेडी टू टॉक अबाउट अ वुमेन बीइंग टारगेटेड. I literally, to be honest, I'm ashamed that I am sharing a panel with some people who do not want to even admit that एक औरत के साथ गलत हुआ है और उसको न्याय मिलना चाहिए. Forget politics, forget everything. They have gone a step ahead and said कि भैया क्यों सपोर्ट कर रहे हो? Why shouldn't be she supported? Isn't she a citizen of this country? Isn't she a woman? अरे वो सब छोड़ दो. आपकी I seriously don't understand how can someone say why are you supporting Swati Maliwal because she has questioned some of their आकाश. अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर सवाल उठा दिया, उसके पीए के ऊपर सवाल उठा दिया, तो आप इस बात पे सवाल